This was considered the most significant day because it's in this day humanity was first reminded the simple laws of nature are not permanent restrictions. If you're willing to strive, you can go beyond that. Adiyogi, for the first time, expounded the entire science and technologies through which an individual human being can rise beyond all limitations. This time, the sun begins to move southward in relation with this planet, which is best for receiving grace, predating all religion. The idea of transcendence was first brought to the human race on this day.